you're standing on the hose. Come on, Pierce. Oh, what's happened? No, the car, Pierce.
Pierce. Pierce.
No! Pierce, stop! The car! Right, Pierce isn't having the hose.
What do you like?
No.
Why? Why? I won't make a mess.
You and Mess is like...
I won't, I promise. I won't.
So you can let him do it.
I am, and they can help wash.
I think this...
Nice.
Come on, boys, put some effort into it. Come on, Eli. Hurry it up. Pierce, help. Pierce, help. Come on then.
You're not the water yet. In a minute, Pierce.
Pierce, you help.
Okay.
Go on, Eli.
Look at the window.
Yay, well done. That's my window, don't get it soapy.
Don't get it. I think toilet.
Alright,
You
okay.
don't. Please, please, please. Stop.
Yes. You're gonna do yours, isn't it? Run, Eli, run!
My own trick.
Eli, run! He's coming round.
Dad!
He's coming round.
Dad! Pig, give me the hole.
No, other side, Pierce.
Pig, Pig, give me the hole. Pig, give me it. Pig,
No, he doesn't.
Pig, Pig, give me the hole. Pig, give me it.
Whoa!
The hole.
Well, you did say give it to you.
Dad, give it. Dad, give it
Come on,
to me.
Pierce, come on.
Dad, give it to me. Pig, Pig, oh.
Whoa!
Mom, I need the hole.
Pierce. Not mummy.
Mom, give me the hole.
Pierce, stop. The car.
Dad, get the hole off
To
it.
the car.
Get mummy! Ah!
Dad, get the hose off him! Dad!
What?
Get the hose off him!
That's easier said than done, Eli.
Please give me the hose!
Yes.
No.
I need
Pierce,
the hose!
stop, not mummy. He's lost. He's coming through you. Stop! Stop! Shut up, love. He's coming through you.
Ah.
Dad, get the hose off him!
Get up here. Get mummy. Pierce, get mummy.
No, it's not nice.
Get mummy. Ah!
Please give me the hose!
Stop!
Where's he
Dad,
gone?
I want the hose!
Pierce.
Dad!
Pierce, Daddy, help.
Dad!
What, Eli?
I want the hose!
Hang on.
Give him dry.